Hi guys, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and we are walking through the rainbow of my cardstock collection. We are on the color purple, so we are just about finished. Just neutrals after this, and this is by far my smallest section, so this should be a really quick video. We'll whip right through this. What I like to do is go through pretty quickly. I don't like to agonize over decisions too long. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, it goes. If I'm not too sure, I keep it. Okay. It's not in any particular order. I don't have that much in these categories that I feel it's overwhelming to kind of just, you know, fan or flip through. And so without further ado, let's get started. This I had previously stored in my blue section and I moved it over to purples. I have no idea why this one is in here because it's definitely blue, and I wonder if I accidentally stuck it in here instead of putting it in with my travel, which is where it was intending to go. This was another one that was misfiled and recently moved its way over. It's not my favorite. You'll hear me talk about dirty distressing. This one is borderline on that. But because I have so little purple, I'm going to hold on to it. So this is from 2008, My Mind's Eye. This was from, I believe, a die cut with a view paper pad. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to hold on to the ombre, hold on to the background. All of these are very usable to my way of thinking. It seems to be what I have a lot of. Backgrounds. This could be argued that it is more pink than purple, but I'm going to choose it to be more on the mauve-y side. This is from My Mind's Eye as well, 2009. A couple sheets of that. I made a kit with this recently. To be honest, I think I'm kind of done with this paper, so I am going to purge both of those. I'll leave the one that's in the kit, right? But I think that's good enough. This is from a Prima, and it's pretty. I don't know how I'm going to use it. I already have a number of these in kits, but it's pretty. We've got some purple dots, more purple dots. Dots and stripes are my jam, if you haven't figured that out already. Echo Park. Ooh, this kind of reads Halloween. I'm going to leave it in here for now. This is going to be purged. Purged. I'm going to hold on to that one, but I'm going to flip it over and hold on to this one. I'm going to flip this one over as well. This is pretty. Who is this from? I don't have a name, but I do like a triangle. Well, to be honest, I love geometric shapes in general. This is from Happy Lucky from Pebbles. I like the purple. This is from Stampin' Up. Here's another one of those sheets, but I left it on the heart side. This is a small piece which will move to the front. I keep my scraps up near the front, what little I have. I'm going to purge this. Some more scraps. This is from a Polish company. I can't even pronounce the name. I'm going to butcher it. Piatek? Chinastego. I'm sure I butchered that. I work with someone who is from Poland, and if she's watching, she's probably cringing. I don't know if you guys can read that name. It is pretty. It's got the dream catchers. I'm not sure what I would use this for, but I'm going to hold on to it. Again, I don't have a lot of purple, so I'm okay with that. The yellow's not bad either, but we're going to keep it in purple. I purged this already elsewhere. I'm going to purge this one again, and then I've got some words, which I think I'm going to hold on to that as well. Like I said, super fast, you guys. I'm still getting rid of a few sheets, not a ton. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I will either make envelopes out of them if they're thin enough, or if they are a little bit thicker quality, I will try and repurpose as, you know, white cardstock, especially if they're one-sided. Oh, actually that's pretty. Get sidetracked. Now I have to look at the other side. guys. Okay, this is gonna go in yellow. I'm gonna keep this one in here under purple. I'm not getting rid of as many as I thought. Same with that one. And then these ones. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of 4 sheets. But you know, this is pretty. I can work with this. Okay. So what I'm keeping, I'm gonna put 1 in yellow and 1 in pink, I think, or 1 in orange. Let me do 1 in yellow and 1 in orange. That's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna call this one done. Thank you so much for popping in today. I appreciate you hanging out with me. Are you in the midst of organizing your space? If so, leave a comment below. Let me know what you're up to, where you're at, what you're struggling with. We'd love to hear, and we can commiserate together. And until next time, happy organizing.